Saturday, Sunday,
Saan yung pa-reveal?
Tuesday.
Say hi, mami.
The bitch is here, so we're gonna have the party.
Girl, nabuang na siya, girl. Di ko kalagay sa kung ano.
Account.
Nakabayad na ako sa previous na bill, pero kailangan ako magbayad ng karon na enrollment. And having problem logging in.
Butod ka.
What we are going to do right now is we are going parasailing. So ayan. Ayan. So, di ko alam bakit ako yung inatasan na mag-vlog. Di naman talaga ako vlogger. Job! Okay, so katatapos lang bagurag yun na human ang amo ang experience sa
Pura-pura.
hindi, ano yun?
Para sa
Yung parasailing. Tapos, akala ko na confident lang yung heart ko. Kasi parang normal na naman siya from afar. Pero nung nandun ka na, grabe, parang katapusan na ng buhay ko. O ikaw, kumusta naman yung parasailing experience mo?
For me, it was fun. Medyo naniga si Herms. He was too scared. Nakapikit lang siya the whole time. I'm gonna flash to you the video. Nakapikit siya the whole time. He was murmuring and stuff. I really don't know what's happening to him. How about you, Leslie? How was your experience?
The experience was lovely. Char! My gosh, nindot kayo siya.
Kape pa yan before kanina.
Uy, very nice. Recommended ang parasailing. Maski na afraid of heights kayo, natanos ko.
Ano? Ako radyo yung murag negative ang experience ana. Kapag ko nag-expect abi nag-confident rapod kay ko pero mura radyo murag yapok giyon sa didto.
Ina nga ipaon yung location kaya para makabayo ata.
Ligoon na ko, day!
Ha? Kaligoon na daw siya. Ay, tara! Nice yung view dala ni. Asa na ako?
Sa happy hour mo nakapili?
Wala, nag-juice lang ko.
Ikaw, happy hour.
Nag-drinks with alcohol ka?
Oo, nagpakulo ko. Kanin.
Happiness, Toto, Papaya, Margarine. So, ang ganda ng plato kasi.
So, mas better pa di ay naghihapon kay mas dili siya mo ano. Daw, natala na. Ako humiti na lang ko dapat.
Bombastic side eye.
Ako huwag mo. Yung nag-edit si Japet?
Kasi 20 na lang daw.
Amazing ang kape sa Boracay Bayot. Partika.
Natala, ayaw ko ng peanut butter.
Criminal offense side eye.
Ano siya good for
Ano yan sa peanut butter?
at least with saging na siya. Let's try that.
Kabalo baka ang saging ang nakahil sa ko akatong kalibang ako.
Really?
Hmm.
Or this? Alam mo kung lawas nila sa camera. Nakakita ba akong mga gym effects ko? Akong lawas.
Isa ka sa pressure sa gym.
Hindi ba
Yung chest ata, na-define naman chest.
pero kung biceps, non-proportion. Grabe, hindi yung napansin sis nung na halos 3 months ako nag-gym dahil.
We are so active.
Gina-appreciate ko niya always.
Dala na po to saan?
Traveling with friends just feels different. It's not always perfect. There are delays, wrong turns, random changes. But that's what makes it fun. You figure things out together, try new places, and end up laughing at the simplest moments. It's not really about seeing everything. It's about being there with the right people. These are the kind of memories that stick, not because they're big, but because they're shared.
13 days in Boracay felt like pressing pause on everything that usually moves too fast. No deadlines, no city noise, just slow mornings, salt in the air, and time to actually breathe. Being away from work reminded us how much we really needed rest, not just physically, but mentally too. People say Boracay is overrated, and maybe it's not perfect, but for us, it's more than that. It's where we felt lighter, where simple moments mattered more, and where we got to actually reconnect with each other. And that's why it'll always have a special place in our hearts.